Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy side dish with butter beans, also called lima beans. It's a great source of many nutrients that includes potassium, B vitamins, fiber and so forth. This is one of the most common legumes that are consumed all over the world. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients to make butter beans. Here I have got 200 grams of fresh butter beans. Wash it, add little salt, boil and keep this aside. Now let's fry the beans. For that, into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for it to splutter. To this, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Saute this for a while. Five shallots finely chopped. Fry this for a minute. Shallots are getting brown. Now to this, add half a teaspoon of roasted cumin, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Give all this a nice mix. Let the spices cook for a minute. A few curry leaves. Add little salt to the spices. We already added salt to the beans, so add a little. Add boiled butter beans. Fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Fry this for 30 seconds and turn off the flame. Simple yet delicious and healthy side dish. You can make this in no time. Transfer this to a bowl. Very simple, healthy and delicious butter bean side dish. Do give it a try. Share this healthy recipe with your family and friends. Also share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. For more such recipes, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.